for today's work. Put some more of that down. Throw that down. Threw some of them okra down, which I'm gonna do some more. Threw them beans down. I got to grow some corn beside that. Look, tomato from last year, pop it in. I ain't gonna let too many of those pop up, them little tomatoes. Started some tomatoes from seeds over here. I'm gonna transplant the ones I got at the house. Got onions and carrots right here. The watermelons didn't do so good on the transplant, so I straight drop seeds, straight draw. Straight draw, yep. But watermelon, cantaloupe. I put a little cucumber up there, see how that thrive. In the meantime, between time, I keep letting the ones at the house grow. Know what those are. Look at. Got to get it cracking. Got to you them though. You. Overs down there. Some beans down there. Yep, little update. Little update. Compost over there. Bell peppers in the back, tomatoes in the front, basil in the middle. So I rip them up, that's one. Yeah. Yes, sir. That time. Time for me to get my butt on to the house and yo. Oh, what's she doing? She about to jump in the hammock, but update on the garden. That thing's laid down. Cucumbers front, watermelon behind that, cantaloupe behind that. Middle row. Got the different things. They got carrots at the end for sure. Lettuce on top side. Left for collard greens. Got the squash and the zucchini on the end. Bell peppers at the bottom. Tomatoes. That looks pretty good. A lot of work day. Got my watch out trying to put work in. Crazy. What? Oh!
That we didn't get the blowing yet, cool. What's going, chat? Oh, it's falling?
Yeah, they know what's up. Come on back to your boy. Yes, he tried to snatch me. Didn't work though. Oh, we active. We got it cracking back here. Looking good. Feeling good about it. Feeling great.